You know what? I can't believe we are already in 2024. Happy New Year and belated Merry Christmas. I was not here to wish you a Merry Christmas during the Christmas festivity because I was not okay. I was very sick. Okay, so belated Merry Christmas, also Happy New Year. You know, 2023 was a good year. All thanks to you, Yami, out there, for your likes, for your comments, for your encouragement, and most importantly, for your shares. I don't joke with that. So keep on sharing my videos, and I so much appreciate you. In 2024, I am hoping we do it better than 2023. With all this being said, today we are making a very simple recipe. We are making green marinade. You can use this green marinade for marinating chicken, your fishes, your meat, etc, etc. It is super easy to make with few ingredients that you can find in your market, in your environment, in your kitchen cabinet, or even in your cushion, that is your refrigerator. Okay, so let's get right into it. But before we start, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do not forget, most importantly, to share this video. Now let's get into it.